after Waikanae, we've got to pick up a carpet. We're not sure how big this carpet is. Do you know how big this carpet is, Christy?
Well, I'm not sure to tell you the truth.
Right, okay. Well, telling the truth is okay. All I can say is I hope it's not a house load, because basically we've got to put a carpet into the size of a sardine can, which is about the size of our Toyota Corolla. We're always sort of up for a challenge. It's kind of what we do, and so we're really interested to see how this is going to turn out. So we'll see you in Waikanae, eh? All right. Okay, so we arrived at our destination. Now it's party time. Yeah.
The moments are through.
Let's see if we can get this sucker in there. Okay, we're going to fold it up.
Let's go.
Alright, so we have arrived. Thank heavens, we've done it. Alright, time to take this big megalithic carpet inside the house. We bought this carpet through Facebook Marketplace. It was part of a deceased estate sale. A lady was selling off her late father's property. She said her father had kept this carpet in the attic above the garage for about 35 years. This carpet is made in New Zealand, Auckland, by Feltex Carpet. It is in really good condition for its age. It's almost flawless. It needs a really good cleanup, and we'll get a professional carpet cleaner in to get that done. We believe this carpet is worth quite a bit. Definitely well over $1,000 for this particular size. It's about 3 meters square. We're very lucky to have scored this. Amazing what you can find out there on Facebook Marketplace. And just an aside, be careful of scammers out there. They're on Facebook Marketplace and throughout social media. Protect yourself. Any doubts, pay cash on pickup. It's a much better idea. We've really enjoyed your company today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to see you back. Take care out there.